Hey, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up mega menus in Shopify. The process is very easy and very simple. We're going to make our store ready to receive the mega menus. So we are going to head over our admin dashboard of Shopify. Then we're going to select from the sales channels the online store. Click on here and then select the theme. Basically, we are going to select our main or the current theme that we are going to use. Click on customize. And from here, what we're going to do is to select the header. As you can see, this is the Shopify builder. We're going to click on header. And from header, we're going to head over the left side of the screen for the parameters. Normally, you are going to see here the desktop menu type. So you are going to get this drop down menu. We have drop down, mega menu, and drawer. Basically, we are going to select here mega menu, and then you are going to click on save. The mega menu is going to be something like this. And depending on the theme that you are going to use, you're going to get some customization right there. So here, how we can create the mega menu. So we are going to exit the theme. And from here, we are going to head over the content as you can see here on the left side of the screen. So you're going to get the meta objects, files, and menus. Previously, the menus were available on the online store. From here, you are going to see the navigation. So for navigation, it will take you to the menus. Now, aside from that, you're going to see all type of menus that are available into your store. But basically, we're going to focus on the main menu. Click on main menu, and then you're going to see the name of the menu and the menu items. As you can see, these are going to be the component of the items that are available or for the navigation bar. So we have, for example, for the catalog, we have here codes, for example, we have a lot of items. The menu or the, as you can see, the catalog is going to be considered a menu item, and the codes are going to be considered as a sub menu for catalog. And the three other items here, which are going to be warm codes, exclusive codes, special edition codes, are going to be sub menus for catalog and a sub menu only for codes. So how we can add some items to be looking like this and get the mega menu feature. So basically we are going to add a menu item. We are going to start by adding something like a menu here, like I'm going to label it here info, for example. We're going to put a link here. When you click on this specific area, which is going to be a link, you're going to have here the link into, for example, a product, a collection, a search, or something like this. So I'm going to put it into some policies. This is just an example. Now I'm going to validate that info. Then we are going to put it here in this area. So we are going to click on the 6 vertical dots, put it in here. Now I want to add a submenu to dots or infos like custom orders. So as you can see, this is a menu item. So we are going to click on the 6 vertical dot. I'm going to put here the custom order under the info, but I'm going to drag it a little bit to the right side. So you are going to see that the transparent part of the custom order will be having a, let's say here, a circle and a blue line behind it. So we are going to have it under the info. When I release the mouse click, you're going to see here the info and a sub item for it or a sub menu for it, which is going to be custom order. Now you can go ahead and do the same thing for all the items that are available in this area. So we have basically created a mega menu for the info. I'm going to put also the contact just as a, let's say here, a reference. So I'm going to add more items to info just like that. Click on save. Now we are going to view our store, and I will let you see the demonstration that we have created. So we are going basically to see here the info. This is the info. When I click on the drop down menu, it will drop down the mega menu, which is going to have here the, as you can see, the items. And for the catalog, it is well, as you can see, organized. So we have a lot of items into there. If this video was helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.